In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Steam points to customize profile. If you've ever wanted your Steam profile to look a little more you, Steam points are the way to do it. Steam points are a reward you earn from purchases on Steam, and you can spend them on cosmetic items to personalize your profile. They're separate from your Steam wallet, they can't be traded or cashed out, and they're all about style. You'll see your points balance near the top of the Steam client or store page, so you always know what you can spend. First, let's open the Steam Points Shop. Launch Steam on your computer, hover your mouse over Store at the top, and click Points Shop from the menu that appears. If you're browsing on the web, you can also go straight to the Points Shop page in your browser. Either way, you'll land on a dedicated storefront filled with profile customization items curated for different tastes and themes. Now take a moment to browse. You'll find profile backgrounds that sit behind your full profile page, including animated options that add subtle motion for a dynamic look. There are mini profile backgrounds too, which appear on the compact version of your profile in places like friends lists and chat overlays. If you want to refresh your identity, explore animated avatars and avatar frames. Avatars update your main profile image, while frames add a decorative border that can be seasonal, stylized, or minimal. You'll also see profile showcases, which let you feature things like your favorite games or achievements more prominently. Keep in mind, some showcases require certain Steam levels to unlock placement on your profile, so the Point Shop can provide the style, but your Steam level controls how many sections you can display. As you browse, use previews wherever available to see how an item will look before you commit points. When you've found something you love, it's time to purchase. Select the item, click Redeem, and confirm the purchase using your Steam points. Redeeming spends points, not cash, and your balance will update immediately. Make sure you're happy with the choice before confirming, as these are cosmetic rewards tied to your account. After redemption, the item is added to your account's customization options and is ready whenever you want to refresh your look. That's all there is to it. Open the Point Shop, explore the customization items that fit your vibe, and redeem your favorites with points you've already earned. Enjoy making your profile stand out and have fun showing off your personal style across Steam.